9 best fruits for weight loss. 1. Ruby red grapefruit. There's a popular, but misleading, food rumor that eating grapefruit burns more calories than it contains. It's a myth that grapefruit is a negative calorie food. No food is, says Tom Dix. But high in fiber, low in calories, and flavorful still makes it a good addition to a weight loss plan. 2. Tart cherries. Cherries may taste best on top of an ice cream sundae. But if you're trying to lose weight, the oh-so-tiny and sweet fruit is not only pretty damn good on its own, but may also support fat loss. In one 12-week study by the University of Michigan, rats who were fed antioxidant-rich tart cherries showed a 9% greater belly fat reduction compared to rats who didn't chow on cherries. 3. Apples. Think of apples as the powerhouse weight loss food. With 4 grams of fiber per serving and only 95 calories, apples are one of the best sources of fiber on the planet, says Tom Dix. Apples are also exceptionally crunchy, which means they take longer to consume, all that chewing, and more satisfying to eat compared to other snacks. 4. Pears. Like apples, pears are full of fiber. Just one pear contains about 6 grams. Every time you eat a pear, you're working your way toward your daily recommended fiber intake, says Tom Dix. FYI, for women, that's 25 grams a day, and for men, it's 30. Plus, pears contain something called pectin, which, she says, nourishes gut bacteria, improves digestion, supports bowel health, and has been linked to improved weight loss. 5. Blueberries. Time to see blueberries as your weight loss BFF? Generally speaking, berries are packed with something called polyphenols, which are powerful natural chemicals that can help you lose weight and even stop fat from forming. But research on rats from University of Michigan suggests that blueberries have the added benefit of reducing belly fat. In the 90-day study, rats who had blueberry powder mixed into their meals had less abdominal fat at the end of the 90-day study than rats on a berry-free diet. 6. Strawberries. Strawberries rank higher on your favorite berry list. That's fine. Strawberries are full of fiber, water, and nutrients, and research has linked strawberry consumption to improved heart health and improved insulin sensitivity, says Tom Dix. She recommends nuking them in the microwave and topping with a dollop of Greek yogurt for dessert, pairing with cottage cheese, or adding them to a salad. 7. Watermelon. Watermelon sometimes gets a bad rap for being high in sugar. After all, one slice has 18 grams of sugar. But compared to another summer snack, like ice cream, watermelon is way more nutritious. Plus, science says it's one of the best fruits for fat and weight loss. 8. Peaches. Peaches make your hands sticky, but they'll help extra weight slide right off. A study at Texas AgriLife Research found that peaches and plums and nectarines may help ward off risk for obesity-related diseases. 9. Lemons. Soda lovers, it's time to try the water flavoring trick you've already heard. Throw some lemon into their water bottle. Drinking lemon water in place of fruit juices or soda can absolutely support your weight loss efforts, says Tom Dix. Every time you have a glass of lemon water instead of a can of Coke or glass of OJ, you save yourself 100 to 200 calories and at least 20 grams of sugar. Cutting back on Hershey's, Ben & Jerry's, and Oreos may be one of the success parts of dieting. But eliminating sweets doesn't mean you have to go without anything sweet tasting. Seriously? Just eat fruit, especially picks that have been deemed the best for weight loss. The natural sugars in fruit can be used to quell a sweet tooth, says registered dietitian Bonnie Tordix, RDN, creator of Better Than Dieting, and author of Read It Before You Eat It. Beyond just being a healthier hit of sweetness, fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, micronutrients, fiber, and water, which candy and candy sugar doesn't have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated for our next videos. Thank you for watching.